This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating friction. Open Docs. New for a fresh document, or pick a template to avoid recreating structure. Make sure to title the file and set sharing permissions now so collaborators get the right access from the start. Enable offline mode if you travel or lose connection. Once done, create a standard template with preset styles, headings, and standard text blocks so future docs are consistent and you save minutes on every project. You now structure and collaborate efficiently. Apply and modify paragraph styles to keep headings consistent. Updating one style changes every instance automatically. Switch to suggesting mode when you want tracked edits. Add comments and assign action items with it mentions so tasks don't get lost. Use the outline pane to jump sections, the Explore tool for quick research, and voice typing when drafting ideas fast. Make sure to learn a few keyboard shortcuts. These shave seconds off every edit and compound into big time savings. You wrap up by preparing the document for sharing and future edits. Export as PDF or Word for external recipients, and label a stable version using version history so you can roll back if needed. Automate repetitive tasks with add-ons or a small app script macro to insert headers, tables, or standardized text. If something goes wrong, like sync issues, check offline settings, disable conflicting browser extensions, and restore a prior version. This fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.